shake it, 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 baby, shake it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. It's so good to see all of you. I was on vacation, just got back. Hopefully you watched my 2 episodes of my vacation. We went with the family to Wildwood Crest, New Jersey. Oh, it was wonderful. We had perfect 10s every day, sunny, beautiful, except for a little tiny storm that wasn't so tiny but lasted a couple of hours. The weather was perfect. We went over to Cape May for one day, which is only maybe a 10-minute ride from Wildwood Crest, and we really had so much fun. The only bad part about it all is, wasn't long enough. I'm ready to go on another one. But anyway, happy to see all of you. I'm happy to be back to my regular baking episodes. I know most of you that follow me went through my grandson's prom, graduation, the vacations, and now I'm back to the videos. So I want to welcome all my new subscribers. There's quite a few of them. I appreciate really each and every one of you. It means a lot to me. So today, it's been very hot here. It's been in the 90s in New Jersey, and I love summer, so I'm grateful for that. But I really hate putting that oven on. So what I'm gonna make for you today, and you may have seen this already, maybe you haven't, but I think you'll enjoy it. I'm going to make ice cream in a mason jar. That's right. But these are, it's ice cream. You don't need a machine for it. It's only a few ingredients, but best of all, it's low carb and it's keto friendly. So what do you say we get started? I find these best if you make them in a 16-ounce mason jar. Use the wide mouth lid like this. And I ordered mine from Amazon. I can't remember if they came maybe 6 to a case. I'm not sure. They were pretty inexpensive. I'll put the link down below under my favorites if you're interested. So you're going to need your mason jar. This only takes 3 or 4 hours and you're ready to eat the ice cream. So if you get a craving and you're trying to be good and eat low carb, these are perfect. So I'm going to try to make 2 for you, and I'll show you how to make a 3rd one. But the sky's the limit on these. You can make any kind you want. So the first one I'm going to make for you is just a basic chocolate one. So you're going to take your mason jar, your wide mouth 16-ounce one, and you're going to need heavy cream for these. So you're going to put 1 cup of heavy cream into your mason jar. So let me try and pour that in without spilling it. All right, go Diva. Okay, I'll put this one aside. Now, since I'm making a chocolate one, to this we want to add 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Now, before I put it in, I want to show you this. Can you believe these? My friend Mary Ellen, I'll put the link down below for her, but she's not a baking channel. She's a lifestyle beauty, mature beauty channel, and I just love her. But she showed these a while ago. They were like periodically she shows some of her favorite things. And these are all your measuring spoons magnetized. And it has 2 sides to it. You can't lose them in the drawer because they all stick together. And what these came with is they came with this also magnetized little leveler. So if you're leveling off, your ingredients, this is perfect. So anyway, I love these. You throw them in the drawer, you don't have to worry about them getting separated. And also, some of them that are on that ring, they're a big pain in the neck. You have to use it while it's hanging on the ring or, whatever. So anyway, I love these. So we need 2 tablespoons of sweetener. So I'm just going to pull this one right off. And this is 1 tablespoon. Now, you have your choice. I like to use stevia. I don't have enough today, so I'm going to use my monk fruit. But you can use any sweetener you prefer. not sugar, because remember, these are low carb and they're keto friendly. So I have my big jar. You can tell I use a lot of this for baking. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of my monk fruit in here. So let me do that. There's 1 and there's 2. Alrighty. Now what we want to do is put 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder in. So I'm just going to take my tablespoon, do 1 of the cocoa powder, and here we go. Look, I can take my leveler and just go, and that's all done, and put that in there. Now I'm going to need a teaspoon of vanilla. So let me get my teaspoon out here. These are great, really. Teaspoon of vanilla extract in there. Okay. And that's it. Now what I'm going to do with this is put the lid on it. Make sure it's tight. And you're going to start shaking, baby. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. And just keep shaking for a while. Shake it, shake it, shake it. This is a fun family thing to do. If you have some kids in the house, let them all make their own. And say, ready, set, go. And everybody can start shaking, shaking, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. If you want, you can make 2 at the same time and shake them both. But anyway, I'm going to shake this for a little while. Not too long, but a little while. Until it gets all incorporated. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my freezer for 3 to 4 hours. Now, the recipes usually tell you 4 hours, but I would check it after 3. Depends on how you want your ice cream. It could be more like a soft serve type, or it could be a harder ice cream. But I'll tell you, from my own mistakes, and everyone makes one, even the Diva, the first time I made these was a while back, and I left them in the freezer a long time. I figured it's ice cream. It doesn't matter. No. I went down the next day, took one out, was dying to eat it, went to spoon it out. It was like a rock. So no, you're going to have to take this out of the freezer in 3 to 4 hours and eat it. If it's 3 hours and it's a little soft for you, put it back in for another hour. Now, you can eat these right out of the jar, or you can scoop them out and put them in a dish. You can serve them out of here with whipped cream on the top and sprinkles and a cherry. There's so many different things you can do. So wasn't that easy? That's how you make your chocolate one. Now, what if you want, put this aside for a second, take another jar, 16-ounce wide mouth jar. Now, what if you want to make a chocolate peanut butter one? I love chocolate peanut butter, so I'm going to make one of those. So, once again, I'm going to put in my 1 cup of cold, heavy whipping cream. There you go. Same thing as before. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of sweetener. That's 1, 2. Then we're going to put in there 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, here it is. Here's my teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then, for the peanut butter one, still going to put in, because this is chocolate peanut butter, your tablespoon of your unsweetened cocoa powder. That in there. And then last but not least, I'm going to put in PB2. That's powdered peanut butter. Now you could put in regular peanut butter if you choose, but I think the PB2 mix is much better, so I'm going to use this. And what we're going to put in here is 2 tablespoons of our PB2. This actually has 85% less fat than regular peanut butter. So let me put 2 tablespoons of this in. Get my little leveler that came with the set. And here we go. Okay. 2 tablespoons of that in. Not lefty. Okay. Here we go. Level that off. Alright. Put this aside. Making a mess here. Diva, why are you making a mess? Put your lid on. And what are we going to do? Come on now, everybody. What are we gonna do? Shake it, shake it, shake it. Same as you did with the all chocolate one. And this is gonna, the same procedure, it's gonna make you chocolate peanut butter ice cream. Now, if you wanna make another flavor, the sky's the limit. Off camera, I'm not gonna do it now, but off camera, I'm gonna make strawberry ice cream. And it's gonna be the same recipe, minus the cocoa. I'm gonna put it down below for you. It's the recipe for making vanilla ice cream. And you're going to put your chopped up strawberries in there. So I'm gonna make actually 4 of these. Gonna see who in my family likes them, and my grandson Lucas told me later he wants to do a taste testing. So this is my chocolate peanut butter one. Now, let me take one more jar, wide mouth, 16 ounces. Well, if I want to, there goes my parrot, sorry. She was being really good through the whole video, but now she's starting. But if I want to make strawberry, put in here, once again, everything is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. She's always trying to take over the show, that bird. And I knew I should have taken her out, but I thought maybe she'd be good, but no, she's not going to be. So this is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I may have to go cover her. 2 tablespoons of sweetener. And you would put 5 chopped up strawberries in here. You wouldn't use the cocoa powder, and you don't really need the vanilla. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'm gonna shake it, shake it, shake it, and I'm gonna make my strawberry ice cream. For those of you that are new to my channel, I have a parrot. Her name is Pee-wee. She has a big mouth. Yes, she talks. She's a yellow-crowned Amazon. Every time I come on here to do this, I usually cover her, but I didn't today, and she wants to come up here and sit with me. And I'm not taking her out right now. So hopefully that's not distracting you too much. So I'm gonna keep shaking these a little bit more. All these recipes will be down below in my description box for you. And I hope you're all doing well. And I will be back after I put them in the freezer, check them for about 3 hours. Gonna see if that's the way I like them. If not, I'll leave them in for another hour. And then I'm gonna come back and see you and do a taste testing. So don't go away. Hi everyone, I'm back. And it's been about 3.5 hours. Now technically you should leave this in the freezer about 4 hours. So we're gonna see, the consistency might be a little soft now, but I did want to get the video finished, and I was having a craving for ice cream. Now with me now, most of you know him, is my youngest grandson, Lucas. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Lucas is going to be my taste tester today, right? Now, I did make chocolate ice cream, and I made vanilla ice cream with strawberries in it, fresh strawberries.
And there's chocolate peanut butter, which I don't like peanut butter, so I'm not going to try that one.
That's right. We're not going to ask Lucas to taste test that because Lucas is not a peanut butter fan like his grandmother. So, what do you say, Lucas? We open the chocolate one first?
Yeah.
Now, I personally like dark chocolate. Lucas prefers milk chocolate.
Yeah.
If you want it softer, like, what's a soft ice cream, Lucas? Like
soft serve Carvel or Dairy Queen.
That's right. Then?
I mean, usually it's Carvel because Dairy Queen has, like, thick ice cream.
That's right. So, soft serve, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have our little bowls here. I have 3.
I have 2.
Lucas has 2, and we have spoons here. And we're professionals. We have little cups of water so that in between our tasting of the different flavors, we're going to cleanse our palates, right? So this one I can see is our chocolate. Now I did use
that looks really good.
Doesn't it look good? Look at that. Now I used the cocoa powder, and it's more dark. I think Lucas does prefer the light, but he's going to give it a try. Well, we're going to spoon it into our dishes. So let me have your dish. See, this is like a soft serve now. Put it over here. Whoopsie. Well, that's okay.
No.
Now wait for me. We're going to taste these together.
Can I mix it? Because,
Well, you don't want to make it too.
No, look at the cocoa powder.
Okay, yeah, you can mix it up. This is definitely, I would have left it in that extra half hour because this is like soft serve. But now we're gonna, here, have a towel. Now we're going to give it a try. It is soft. I would prefer it a little harder. So stick with the recipe, right, and leave it in for 4 hours. Let's taste it. Ready, Lucas?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Here it goes. It doesn't even like taste like cocoa powder.
No, tastes exactly like chocolate ice cream. Exactly. But it is soft. I would leave it in the freezer a little bit longer. But you cannot tell this is low carb or keto. Yeah, delicious.
I don't even know.
And another thing, get your kids into the kitchen to help you. Because once you put those ingredients in, what do they have to do? Shake it. That's right. So, that's fun. You could give each of the kids their own jar. Let them each make their own. You can make a basic vanilla one. They could throw in their M&Ms, crushed up peanut butter cups,
Oreos,
crushed up Oreos, brownies, anything you want.
My best suggestion with Oreos is vanilla ice cream with Oreos.
You like Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're still with us, and you did, he's laughing at his dad. I guess it's a good time to tell you to subscribe to my channel. Do all kinds of baking. Everything's pretty easy. Things that almost everybody can make. And if you haven't already watched my vacation video, I have 2 of those on and a couple others I think you might be interested in. So Lucas, if they haven't already subscribed to my channel, what should they do?
Hit that subscribe button.
What color is it?
It's red, but it should be gray.
Exactly. Once you hit that red subscribe, there's a little bell next to it. You hit the bell.
You click the bell, and then you click all.
And then?
You get notified on every single video that she makes.
That's right. And if you like, make a comment. I love to see the comments. And YouTube loves those thumbs up, right? Yeah. So anyway.
They promote our video and more people can see it.
That's right. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you are on low carb or on keto, definitely make these. If you want the ice cream a little bit firmer, all you have to do is leave it in the freezer a little bit longer. I honestly wanted to get the video completed, so I took it out a little early, and it was more like a soft serve. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this.
I didn't even know it was keto.
No, see, and he liked it. He doesn't even know what keto is, right? No. And he doesn't really know what low carb is. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by and watching this. Definitely, if you have a craving for ice cream, and Mary Ellen, I know how much you love ice cream.
I love ice cream.
And she stays away from it because she tries to watch her carbs. Make these. You will love them. And like I said, put any kind of extras in them. Just use your imagination. You can even put flavoring in them. You can make a vast array of these mason jar ice creams. And just think about it. All it takes you is you throw in the ingredients. You do what? Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Put them in the freezer for 4 hours, and they're all done. Anyway, thank you all for stopping by. Have a great weekend. I really do love you all. And I'll see you soon. What do we say now, Lucas?
Toodles!
Toodles!